It's a Tello disaster. Really sorry for everybody who was waiting for the race, but something went wrong. What went wrong, Mason?
Don't know.
I know what went wrong. He flew this, it crashed it into the house, and it came down at a really awkward angle like that, wallop. And look what we've got. The motor's come clean out, snapped the wires off, and they're all tucked away inside there. So that's the next video will be, well, it won't be, because we're going to do the races. Race is coming because... There you go, Mason.
Thank you.
Oh, we've got another one. It's a Tello. Oh, Tellos everywhere. I don't know what it is. It's just the rise of the Tellos. That's what it is. The rise of the Tellos. You can't keep them down. They keep coming back. But, yes, we've ordered 4 new motors from China, straight off eBay. But they're going to take about 6 weeks to get here, I think. They're going to take ages. So, well, in the meantime, we've just bought another one so we can have some fun. But yes, this will be repaired, and I will be doing an in-depth video into how to replace motors on the Tello. So, yeah, this should be good. It'll be a good video, that. So keep watching. Let's have a look at this new one. Whoa, we've got to swap some bits over, haven't we, Mace? What we've got to do?
I need to pop me blue off because I've got to keep the blue.
Oh, the motor. Look at that. These motors, Corliss Motors, UK buyers, no, let's get it right. UK sellers are selling these on eBay for like 20 quid, £20. What's that all about? Can't pay £20 when the. So anyway, China, £4 for 4. £4.80, including postage, straight from China. It's going to take a long while to get here, but they look great. They look good. So, but we'll soon know when we get them. We'll try and we'll fit them and see. Ta-da! That looks nice, doesn't it?
It is.
That looks nice.
We've got some more blades, which we need.
We do need blades because we've
more blades.
And it's unbelievable because this one, the original one, the first one we got with the Go Fast stripe on it, I've crashed this so many times. It's been in the tree. It's been on the grass, it's been in the bushes, it's been everywhere. I've broke 2 propellers, smashed them, lost them. I bent one of the motor arms, but managed to get the pliers on it and straighten it. That's pretty indestructible. Yeah, you managed to break yours somehow.
It was just the angle.
It fell at such a peculiar angle. It came from right top floor of the house, banged into the wall, came down and smashed down onto the patio. Like, yeah, it just came in at such a funny angle, bang, and
it didn't have the guards on either.
Oh, did it not?
No.
Oh, that's another one because the guards are off, but they do fly incredibly different. They with the guards off. Fast, aren't they?
Very.
Fast and nimble.
And your battery life lasts a lot longer.
More battery life, more nimble.
You get a lot more movement out of it, but it is well worth it.
Well, yeah. But I do like the guards because I mean, it just changes. It changes the dimension of the beast. It's more stable and more slow with the guards on, and you're a bit more, around the garden if you want to just practice and get some direction going on. They do behave themselves better with the guards, but you take them off and they just really become lively and great fun. So there we have it. New drone, new case. Oh, look at this one. Look, well, this one's completely battered. Look, we've now got the top off it. We've got the motor out. So I mean, the job on this replacing the motor, I've been having a good look and doing a bit of homework on it. I think there's 2 ways of doing it. There's obviously some people have put motors on the outside and plugs and connectors, and it looks horrible. So when I get it, I think I'm going to do it by taking the whole thing to bits, and I'm going to actually route the wires in and solder it all in on the motherboard. So it's going to be a proper repair. So yeah, keep your eye out for that because it's going to be good. Right, can we race now?
I think we can.
Well, thanks for watching on this one. I'm going to get this footage for the race. We're going to have this race is going to be good. Yeah, so keep watching because the race is coming.